What's going on, YouTube? Watkins here, back with another video, and I got something special for you today. I've been spending the last 10 hours cooking something, or something's been cooking for the last 10 hours. I kind of just left it in there, and that is a keto-friendly roast. Now, what I put on here is a little bit of au jus gravy, one packet of ranch powder, and one whole stick of Kerry Gold butter salted, and that's in some 6 pepperoncini peppers. Pepperoncini, I believe that's how you say it. Anyway, it's been cooking for the last 10 hours, so let's crack it open, okay? Oh boy, is he all done? Yeah. Where's the button? Oh, there it is. There it is. And it smells great, guys. Let's just see what we can do here. Oh boy, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh man, can you see that? That is just, wow. Look at that, guys. Yeah, that just looks so good. Hold on. Another piece. A big old slab right there. And that looks good. There you go. I can't wait to eat it. Mix it all up. That's all I got, guys.